Samsung is poised to launch its latest mid-range smartphone, the Galaxy A56. This model introduces several noteworthy enhancements over its predecessor. Here's a breakdown of the 8 significant changes. 1. Design overhaul. Samsung has refreshed the design of the A56, particularly the camera module. Departing from the individual camera design introduced with the S22 Ultra in 2022, the A56 adopts a floating camera design reminiscent of the A25. The device features a brushed aluminum frame, lending it a more premium feel. However, the bezels remain relatively thick compared to other phones in this price range. 2. Camera improvements. The A56 is equipped with a triple camera setup. 50MP main camera, 12MP ultra-wide lens, 5MP macro sensor. Notably, the selfie camera has been updated from a 32MP sensor to a 12MP sensor. Despite the lower megapixel count, the new sensor is larger, resulting in better natural bokeh and overall improved image quality. 3. Enhanced charging speed. The A56 supports 45W fast charging, a notable improvement over the 25W charging found in some higher-end models like the Galaxy S25, which features a smaller 4000 mAh battery. 4. Software upgrades. Launching with One UI 7 based on Android 15, the A56 offers a smoother user experience and introduces new AI features. Samsung has committed to providing 6 years of software support for the A56, extending up to Android 21. This is an improvement over the 4-year support provided for the A55. 5. Connectivity enhancements. The A56 comes with Bluetooth 5.3 and Wi-Fi 6E, ensuring better wireless connections and improved power efficiency. This is particularly beneficial for users of wireless earbuds or Galaxy watches. 6. Performance boost. Powered by the Exynos 1580 chip built on a 4nm process, the A56 delivers a performance increase of approximately 15 to 20% in CPU tasks and 37% in graphics compared to the previous model. While respectable for a mid-range phone, there remains a significant performance gap when compared to the S25 series. 7. Storage and expandability. Samsung has removed the microSD card slot in the A56, offering internal storage options of up to 256GB. This change aligns with trends in higher-end models but may be a consideration for users who rely on expandable storage. 8. Availability considerations. There is uncertainty regarding the A56 availability in certain markets, such as the United States. Samsung skipped the A55 release in the US last year, and the A56 exclusive use of the Exynos chip may lead to a similar situation. If so, only the A36 might be available in the US.